So I'm out here at a place called the Summit Club. Have to go visit a project. This house on the hill here, I did the air conditioning design for that one. And the one that is behind it, I did that one as well. Summit Club Drive. So that one behind the 6-star construction project, I did that one as well. I had to come out here a few months ago and get some straightened out on that. And all these palm trees used to look like they were dying. They actually look like they're coming back to life. A lot of palm trees, which to me is boring, especially these kind of palms. They're not really that fancy, but whatever. This house is way up on the hill. I've done a bunch of houses in here now. I don't even know. Those ones up on the hill over there I might have done as well. So we're almost there. Last time I was here it was like a green. I see they still have some of that yellowish green insulation on the outside. And there it is, the fabulous shore residence. Biggest pain in my backside in recent years. I don't even know who these people are. They got a lot of freaking money, that's all I know. This is the, I'm not sure what room that is. And believe it or not, we're gonna have 3 furnaces in here. There's the ducts up in the ceiling. We'll eventually get a platform in here and put them on. And that's the roof hatch where the condensing units are up on the roof. There's a view out the door. Strips straight ahead. That's a heck of a lot of wire in that room.